Look at this ad this brand is scaling with. I recreated it using just Claude and Seedance 2.0. You can now clone almost any winning ad in minutes. I literally mean you can grab an ad you found online, upload your product image, and recreate a video ad that matches the same vibe, pacing, shots, and dialogue. And the craziest part, you don't even need to write prompts anymore. No more copying and pasting between ChatGPT and different other tools. With the method I'm going to show you in this video, all you have to do is copy the link, drop it in Claude Code, and it handles the entire setup for you. But before I explain anything, let me just show you what happened when I dropped the viral TikTok video and 2 product images into Claude Code. So first I found this unboxing video going viral on social media, a girl in her bedroom unboxing sneakers. I saved the reference video, added a picture of the shoebox that I wanted to promote and the pair of shoes that I wanted to replace the original product with. Then I typed this sentence: I want to replace the shoes and the shoebox in the reference video with the provided images. And that's it. I just hit enter. Claude then watched the video. It extracted everything, the bedroom setting, the character, the camera movement. Then it built a completely new prompt for my product and sent it directly to Seedance 2.0 to generate the video. A few minutes later, here's what came out.
Not to be dramatic, but I just found the collab of the year. Everybody's been sleeping on Nike X Skims, and look at this. The split toe, the Velcro strap.
If you compare it side by side with the original, you get almost the exact same vibe, pacing, and emotional feel. And this was on the very first try. If you have a Shopify store and you sell products online, you already know that UGC videos drive a huge amount of sales. It's exactly how many of these products are blowing up and generating millions in revenue from simple UGC videos you see every day on social media. Now, hiring UGC creators takes time and it can easily cost thousands of dollars. With the release of Seedance 2.0, you can create UGC videos that look incredibly realistic with avatars that can hold any product you want in almost any situation for a fraction of the price. In this video, I'm going to show you some powerful use cases for Seedance 2.0. I've tested this model across skincare brands, fashion products, and even apps, and it works wonders for all of them. Then I'll show you how to set up Claude Skills so Claude can help you with prompting, and I'll give you my exact setup for free. And you'll want to watch until the end because I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code so it can recreate almost any ad automatically without writing prompts, just like in the unboxing video that you just saw. No more burning credits trying to figure out the perfect prompt. Now there are 2 tools we are going to use in this video. The first one is Seedance 2.0, which we'll use to generate videos, and we'll access it through ArcAds. So if you've been playing around with UGC videos, you're going to notice that a lot of the AI models look kind of fake. But with Seedance 2.0, that's not the case. The way the avatar moves, the details of the skin, it just looks realistic. And the second tool is Claude. Later, I'm gonna show you how to add skills inside Claude to generate prompts and how to connect Claude Code with ArcAds so that the 2 tools can talk to each other and do everything automatically. But first, I want to show you a few videos I generated using Seedance 2.0 inside ArcAds. After you sign up to ArcAds, you land on a dashboard like this. Here you can see several videos I generated, and I want to show you exactly what this model can do. For example, I found this video on TikTok. It's a UGC video that is viral promoting the Mellow pillow. I wanted Seedance to replace that pillow with a different one. So first, here's the original video.
This was voted the best pillow of 2025. Oh. This is the Mellow Align Cloud pillow.
And here's the image of the pillow I wanted to replace it with. All I did was to upload the reference video and the product image, then prompt ArcAds to replace the pillow from the image one in the video one. I also updated the dialogue so that the avatar says the new brand name instead. In the settings, make sure that the model is Seedance 2.0. Keep the length the same as the original video, in this case around 12 seconds. For resolution, I usually keep it at 1080. Leave the audio enabled because we want the voiceover, then click generate. After a few minutes, this is what we get.
This was voted the best pillow of 2025. So cool to the touch. This is one of the only pillows designed for neurosensory sleep regulation, not just physical support.
As you can see, it kept most of the other details from the room, the table, the environment, but it replaced the pillow exactly as we asked. Here's another example for a fashion product. This works really well for print-on-demand brands, clothing brands, or accessories. What I did here is to upload a fashion collage, a jacket, sunglasses, shoes, and a t-shirt where I added my brand logo. Then I simply asked Arcats to create an UGC-style Instagram video with a model wearing the outfit. And look at this, if we compare it with the original image, it captured almost everything. The jacket, the shoes, the glasses, even the shirt logo. And honestly, it's hard to tell whether this is AI or if this is a real person. Now here's where things start getting really interesting, because this next style has been one of the best performing ad formats lately. Street interviews. Brands like Carpe deodorant have been using this format and they perform incredibly well. So I wanted to see if we can recreate that style using Seedance. My prompt was simple: generate a street interview style video of a young male approaching a young female and ask what she thinks about my energy drink. I've uploaded a photo of my drink with my brand and look what we got.
Do you want to try it?
Okay.
You want to try it?
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
cool.
Oh, that's actually really good.
Now what if you want to promote an app? Let's say we want to promote this app, Brain FM. I uploaded a screenshot of the app and added the app's link. Then I use this prompt and the result looks very realistic.
It's called Brain FM, and it's an app that you can actually go on and it helps you to focus or it helps you to sleep.
So now you've seen how powerful these videos can be. The prompts I showed you were very simple. I was basically letting the model be creative. But if you want more refined ads, the prompts become much longer and more detailed. We have details about the avatar, the setting, every scene. Now the good news is that you can skip writing all of that, and instead of writing it yourself manually, you can add a Claude skill to have it do it for you. And if you've never used a Claude skill before, it's essentially a reusable instruction set you build once and attach to your workspace. Claude then automatically loads it at the start of every new chat. So instead of re-explaining your process each time, you just reference the skill and it already knows exactly how to operate. What makes this different from normal prompting is structure and consistency. The skill already contains a proven framework for a converting ad, the hook, the visual direction, the scene-by-scene breakdown, but the real advantage is what happens before the script is even written. It first identifies the ideal buyer, breaks down the target audience, their age range, and from there it uses that insight to reshape everything: the messaging, the tone, and even the type of avatar that should represent that product. I'm gonna share the skill file so you can download and use the same setup for free. You're gonna find the link in the description. And here's how to install it. Download the skill file, then go to Skills, Create Skill, click the plus icon, upload the file, and drop it in. Once it's uploaded, it will appear in your workspace. Now let's walk through how it works in practice. First, you reference the skill, then you provide your product detail, so Claude has context. I use the same pillow brand from earlier. I've added a product name and brief description, and then I run it. Claude generated three things. First, the avatar description, then the full production prompt, including the scene setup, lighting, actions, and dialogue, and finally, the complete script. Once you have all of that, all you have to do is paste the prompt into Arcats, upload your product image, select your resolution and duration, and generate the video. After a few minutes, this is the final result.
Tried every pillow, every supplement, nothing actually changed. This one actually works differently. The pressure just quiets everything down.
The avatar stays consistent, the product placement looks natural, and it looks real overall. The biggest improvement here is consistency. Every ad follows a proven structure without you needing to think about it. And we can also go one step further. Instead of moving things between tools manually, we can automate the entire process using Claude Code. No more prompting, no more back and forth. Claude handles everything. The workflow becomes this simple. You find the winning ad on TikTok or Meta ad library, you download it, you drop the video into Claude Code along with your product image, and you type "clone this ad for my product." From that point on, Claude takes over. It generates a new script, it creates prompts for Arcats, sends everything to Seedance 2.0, and generates the video. Claude becomes your creative director. you end up with a video that keeps the same structure, pacing, and emotional flow, but with your own product. Let me show you how to connect Claude with Arcads. For this, you'll need the Claude desktop app and a Claude subscription. Once you'll open the app, you'll see 3 tabs: Chat, Cowork, and Code. We're gonna use Code, but don't worry, you don't need to know how to code. Next, click this icon and connect Claude to a folder on your computer. Everything you generate using this setup will live inside this folder. And for the model, I'm choosing Sonnet. You don't need Opus for it. Now the next step is installing a skill. Go into Claude Code and type install this skill. What this does is to teach Claude the entire workflow. So every time you start a new project, you don't have to re-explain the context. The skill is now installed. Next, go into Arcads and grab your public API key. This is what allows Claude Code to connect with Arcads. To get the API key, go to Settings, then under Public API, generate your API key. Copy that and bring it into Claude. Paste the key, then tell Claude to test the connection and save everything into an env file. Hit enter and Arcads is connected. The API is working and it's ready to go. You already saw the result at the start of this video. Now let me show you exactly how Claude generated that. I had 3 files: the reference unboxing video, the shoebox image, and the shoe image. I dragged all of these in Claude and typed 1 sentence, and then I hit enter. Claude analyzed the video, duration, bedroom setting, visual elements, the character, camera movement, and the scene structure. It also transcribed the video so it understood exactly what was being said. Then it took what it learned from the original video and created a completely new prompt for my product. That exact prompt was sent to Arcads, which used Seedance to generate the final video.
Not to be dramatic, but I just found the collab of the year. Everybody's been sleeping on Nike X Skims, and look at this. The split toe, the Velcro strap, all black. These are my go-to shoes this season. I'm obsessed.
A few minutes, 1 sentence, and done. And if I compare it side by side with the original, same vibe, same pacing, same feel, and this is the very first try. This way you don't have to manually fiddle until you get it right. Claude handles everything, including the prompting itself. If you want to try this for yourself, you can test Seedance 2.0 inside Arcads using the link in the description below. And now that you know how to create AI UGC videos, if you want to learn how to clone a successful Shopify store using just AI, click this video next. I built a full store without writing a single line of code, and I show everything step by step on screen. Click this video and I'll see you there.